In this video, we're going to show you how to create collaborative content within your course shell, where students can post, ask questions, and interact regarding assessments and general queries. We'll also look at scheduled peer collaboration sessions using Collaborate Ultra or Microsoft Teams. All courses should have a general discussion forum where students can ask you, the teacher, and their peers questions about the course. Be sure to regularly check this forum to answer any questions that students might have. To set up a general discussion forum, click on Discussions on the left-hand side menu, click the red plus discussion button, title the discussion General Discussion. Type into the empty discussion box an explanation to students that this is a place for them to ask questions and have conversations with each other about the course. Allow liking to promote student engagement with the discussion forum. Allow threaded replies so students and teachers can communicate with each other, and click Save. Now we need to pin your discussion to the top so students can easily access this discussion forum. Click on Discussions again in the left-hand menu. Find Our General Inquiries discussion, drag it up to the pinned discussion section of the page. This will now stay at the top for ease of access. If more discussions are added, this one will not get lost. Discussion forums can be used to reinforce learning content and promote collaboration and discussions within your course. They give students the opportunity to demonstrate their learnings in each topic or week depending on how your course is laid out. To create a discussion forum, go to your modules page. Select the plus icon next to the name of the module. Select Discussion from the drop-down. Select New Topic. Title the discussion with the week name or the topic name that the discussion relates to, like so. Select Add Item. Click on your newly created discussion and hit Edit. Type into the empty discussion box that you want students to discuss. Here we are embedding the video that we want students to watch, reflect on, and then post one of their thoughts or findings from the video. Allow liking to promote student engagement within the discussion forum. Allow threaded replies so that students can communicate with their teacher and peers. If you want your students to be graded on their participation in this discussion forum, tick Marked and from the drop-down select Complete Incomplete and make it part of the Learning Activities assignment group. Click Save and you now have set your discussion. Great work! From here, you can repeat the process with all the modules you wish to add a weekly or topic-specific discussion forum to. Announcements are helpful short communications for alerting your students to what is happening and any upcoming goings-on in your course. Announcements can be shown on the homepage of your course so that each time your student comes back to the course, they see the most recent announcements. To display announcements on the course homepage, please follow these steps. Firstly, go to the course settings. Hit More Options. Tick the box that reads Show Recent Announcements on Course Homepage. Then click Update Course Details. Once your announcement settings have been completed, let's create a new announcement. In this example, we are advising students that they only have 1 week left to finish their assessment task, and we will be linking them to the resources they will need to complete their assessment. Go to Announcements, click the large red plus announcement button, title your announcement, add your content. Here we are going to advise our students to look at the modules for week 2 and 3 via the Linking Modules button on the right-hand side like so. Allow replies, and allow liking, and hit save. Well done! By enabling Show Announcements on Homepage, once we go back to the course homepage, we will be able to see the new announcement at the top of the page. Collaborate Ultra is available to all courses in Canvas. If your course does not already have Collaborate Ultra displayed in the left-hand side bar, you can easily add it to your course by following these steps. First, click down on the Settings button in the bottom left-hand sidebar. In the Settings menu, click on the Navigation tab at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the second group of panels. Then drag the Collaborate Ultra panel up to sit underneath the Home panel. Then hit Save. Collaborate Ultra should now be visible in the left-hand side navigation menu for students to access. Great work! Now that we have that set up, we will need to set up your class sessions in Collaborate Ultra. It is best practice to set up scheduled Collaborate Ultra sessions to run at the same time as your online classes. This is recommended so that students can easily identify which topic and week the sessions relates to. First, navigate to Collaborate Ultra in the left-hand navigation menu. Click the Create Sessions button in the top left. This will now open the Session Setting menu for you to create and name your session. Title your session with the topic name of the week that it will be taking place, the day and the date. For example, Graphic Design Principles Hierarchy, Week 3, Wednesday, 10 AM, class 17th June 2020. Now we need to select the date and the time that your class will be taking place. This class will be taking place on the 17th and start at 10 AM and the end time will be 1 PM. You can type into these boxes directly or use the arrows to change the time. Next, click the Session Setting panel and tick on Allow Recording Downloads so that the students may download the session recordings to refer to at a later time, and hit Save. You have now set up your first session for your class. Now go ahead and repeat this process for all the other Collaborate Ultra sessions that your class will be taking part in. Now that we have set up our Collaborate Ultra sessions, we can make an announcement alerting students to where they need to go to take part in the Collaborate Ultra sessions. So let's make a new announcement. Type in your content into the content area. Copy your Collaborate Ultra link here. You can also add links to resources that will be related to the class. You can also allow comment and liking, and hit Save. Great work! Now we have created our announcement that will be shown on the homepage of our course. Students will be able to easily see it when they land on the course homepage and be directed to the Collaborate Ultra session and associated resources. So that concludes our video on how to use collaboration tools within Canvas. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or wish to give us some feedback, you can send us a message at vedt@rmit.edu.au.